Woof! Let's get going! I'm ready to listen. Let's get going.
Elementary. Splendid. Fine. Splendid.
Investigación finalizada.
This shall surely be done. Elementary. Well.
Woof!
Investigación finalizada.
Woof!
You require my assistance?
Do you need some help?
Well.
I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen.
Fine.
Investigación
This shall
completada.
surely be done.
Let's get going. Let's get going. I'm ready to listen.
Elementary.
Woof! Do you need some help?
Most fascinating. Splendid! This shall surely be done. Elementary.
I'm ready to listen.
Splendid!
Let's get going.
Fine. This shall surely be done. Fine.
Do you need some help?
Atacan a nuestras puertas.
Ready to listen.
This is inconceivable. Elementary. Splendid!
Let's get going.
This shall surely be done. This is inconceivable. Splendid! Fine. Most fascinating. Elementary. This shall surely be done. You require my assistance?
Let's get going. Do you need some help?
Splendid! Well. Well.
Woof!
Elementary.
get going. Do you need some help? Woof!
Fine. This is inconceivable.
I'm ready
This
to
shall
listen.
surely be done.
Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen.
To battle!
I am Thorpe Blackpaw, the King of the Gnolls. I want to speak to your leader.
Thor Blackpaw! Yanagu be praised! You're alive! I'm so glad that you and your assassins were able to escape those prison cages!
Bark, it's good to see you again, friend. We were freed by a mysterious old Gnoll assassin who led us to this place. Strangely enough, he was gone the next morning when we woke up. We haven't seen him since. Since then, the assassins have used their camouflaging abilities to avoid detection. I've had to hide in these spider holes. But who are these dwarves? I am more than happy to help you, but do not expect that I would do the same for the dwarves.
Much has changed over the past few weeks. Dwarves rescued our tribes from enslavement by the Faceless Ones. We are now allied with them, and seeking a way to defeat the undead together. But the Howling Flail, do you have it?
No, the flail was taken from me when I was captured. I believe it is kept somewhere in the bowels of the main temple.
Most fascinating.
Edificio terminado.
Let's get going!
Fine. Elementary.
Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen.
Splendid!
This is our primary hideout site. The Gnolls over here are members of my elite assassin guard.
Woof!
Splendid!
Let's get going! Let's get going!
You require my assistance?
Let's get going!
This shall surely be done.
Investigación completada.
Elementary.
ready to listen. Woof. Do you need some help?
¿O trabajar? ¿O trabajar? ¿O trabajar?
Let's get
Fine.
going.
¿O trabajar?
Build more dwarven homes. I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help?
Investigación finalizada.
That massive portal appears to be the entrance to the main temple. I would bet that the Well of Corruption is somewhere in the depths of this temple.
Woof! It certainly looks that way. The entrance is pretty heavily guarded.
Elementary.
Investigación finalizada.
Do you need some help?
Splendid! This is inconceivable.
Woof! Let's get going. Do you need some help?
Magic missile!
Ready to listen.
This shall surely be done. Do you require my assistance?
Nuestro héroe ha caído.
a nuestras fuerzas! ¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
This had better be worth it.
Let's get going.
Splendid! Most fascinating.
I'm ready to listen. Do you need some help?
Fine.
Let's get going. Do you need
This
some
shall
help?
surely be done. Well,
Do you need some help? I'm ready to listen. Let's get going.
The gaze of the Watcher is approaching
Investigación
us again.
finalizada.
Prepare yourselves.
Investigación completada.
Let's get going.
Elementary.
Investigación
Ready to
completada.
listen. Let's get going. Do you need some help?
Require my assistance? By Ora Halden's beard. Cannot be. The dread hall of the Emerald Thrones. Oh, it was thought that dragons destroyed this chamber in the War of the Old Gods' Fall many thousands of years ago.
It seems that things did not go quite as the dragons say. Hey, that plaque at the center of the floor just started rotating.
This is indeed incredible. Oh, it was in this very hall that the old gods' high priests gathered to plan sinister plots to undo Titan's creation. The Emerald Thrones on which the four high priests sat are said to be forged to the souls of the unwary that were snatched from the Emerald Dream.
The plaque has begun radiating immense power. I have a bad feeling that we're going to find out what prevented the dragons from destroying this hall in that ancient war.
Dear God! That is a hunter of the Emerald Dark. A servant of the old gods that hunts for souls in the Emerald Dream. I know of no prior incident where such a horror had been summoned onto a material plane. The summoning spell appears to require continuous chanting. If we slay some of the High Inquisitors, we may interrupt the spell and send the creature back to the Emerald Dream.
Ready to listen.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Let's get going.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Well, this is inconceivable.
Let's get going. Do you need some help? Dwarf!
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Let's get going. I'm ready to listen.
Fine.
Do you need some help?
Elementary.
Let's get going. I'm ready to listen.
Most fascinating. This shall surely be done. Splendid! Splendid!
I'm ready to listen. Let's get going.
Fine.
Dwarf!
Elementary.
I'm ready to listen.
This shall surely be done.
Dwarf. Let's get going.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Ready to listen. Let's get going. Do you need some help?
You require my assistance? Elementary. To battle!
Do you need some help? Dwarf.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Let's get going. Dwarf. Do you need some
This
help?
shall surely be done.
I'm ready to listen.
Splendid! Elementary.
I'm ready to
This
listen.
shall surely be done.
Let's get going. Dwarf.
Splendid!
¡Atacan
Let's
a
get
nuestras
going.
fuerzas!
Let's get
Elementary.
going. Do you need some help?
Fine.
Dwarf. Ready to listen.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Let's get going. Dwarf. I'm ready to listen.
Most fascinating. The hunter vanished when we killed this High Inquisitor. My assumption seems to have been correct. Oh, what a relief.
Not so fast, Tulasek. The remaining High Inquisitor looks mightily pissed.
Splendid!
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
Do you need some help? Let's get going.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
The hallway to the east appears to lead deeper into the inner parts of the temple. There are also two massive gates here. One to the north, one to the south.
Do you need some help?
This is inconceivable.